I'm going to point on the picture at a layer. I'm going to say the name of the layer, and I want you then to say the name. Crust,
Crust.
mantle,
Mantle.
outer core, outer
Honor.
core, inner core, inner
Core.
core. Or I say the word, you say the word. Crust,
Crush.
mantle,
Metal.
Metal.
outer core,
Outer.
Outer. Core.
inner core,
Core.
mantle,
Metal.
crust.
Crush.
So those are the layers of the earth. Layers of the earth. We have layers because of density. We learned that before. Now, this first question says, which layer is the thickest? Which layer is the thickest? And it is this one, the mantle. The mantle is almost 3,000 kilometers length. If we add the two cores together, outer core, inner core, that also is over 3,000 kilometers. Very big and thick, but they are different. This one is all one, and it is the thickest, the mantle. That's how you spell mantle. Which one is the thinnest? Little, the small one. So it's not the mantle, it's not the outer core, not the inner core, it's this one. Do you remember what this one is called? This is the crust. The crust is the thinnest, small. Mantle, crust. Okay, what about temperature? Temperature. How hot? Hot. Which layer is the hottest? Well, we see that the farther you go to the middle of the earth, the hotter it gets. Almost 5,000 degrees. Whew. That's really hot. Hot enough to melt rocks, turn rocks into liquids, like water, except way hotter. So the hottest layer is in the middle, and the middle layer is called the inner core. Like an apple has a core in the middle. In core. Which one is the coolest? Brr, cold. Well, in the wintertime, we get ice and snow right at the top. So that can get freezing, and that is cold. And that layer is called the crust. Hot, core, cold, crust. I've told you before there is something called iron. Iron is metal. This is iron. Hard, metal. Iron is heavy. Iron is heavy. And so it goes down to the middle of the earth, the core. Why is iron in the core? And the answer is density. It falls to the bottom. It sinks. It was a liquid at the start of Earth 4 billion years ago, and it melted and went to the bottom. It sank because it's dense. But I want to practice one more time with you. Crust. I say
Crust.
then you say. Good. Mantle.
Mantle.
Outer core.
Outer core.
Inner core.
Inner core.
Inner core.
Inner core.
Outer core.
Outer core.
Mantle.
Mantle.
Crust.